on.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the part 2 because Aaron, that's right, just sent us back in after we already lost all our lives.
There's a couple of them on that bar.
Got him. Dude, that's 10 feet, bro. Do you want me to count it for you? I'm gonna cut around. Go! Get in! Okay.
Second hallway. Clear. They don't even know they can respawn.
Guess not. Not all the team's dead.
They're gonna complain. Be ready for them to complain. Sit down! We gotta get out of here. They're taking that hallway.
Definitely.
They're up in the barn.
The last team?
Yeah. That's where they were when we were running back.
I'm gonna cut around through here. I'm gonna shoot in the middle. Who? You wanna go through? Sean.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hey, bud! You like shooting dead dudes? Thanks.
I'm in.
I'm in. I'm in.
Okay.
I'm in.
Right.
Holy crap. Hang on. Hit. Raptor, get over here. Get him in. One. Okay. Good. What? Okay. Let's go. Get shot at. That's our guy right there shooting at. Sorry, bro. It's just what happened. Hey!
What?
Can't go down. Oh, dude, she's coming out. Get over here, Sean! Sean!
What? Hey! I just cleared out the whole side.
Nice work, bro. Clear.
I got window left.
Left window, got it.
And move with me. Hey, get down by this spawn. Go forward. Alright, make our way toward the door.
Alright.
Good barn.
Go ahead in the barn.
He's looking off.
Who?
That's on.
Okay.
Closer, closer.
6 you're dead. I don't see your hand, but you're dead? Okay, you're dead. I'm sorry, dude. I can't see your hand. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Our whole squad's out.
We're good. I got all of them, but then one guy came up behind the cave there. Is that it? Is that everybody?
Almost. Oh yeah, guys, another thing is, if you guys are out there in the Arizona area, this gun is for sale. It's the Echo 1 Star L. Very, very nice gun. 150 is what we're asking. So we appreciate all of you guys' help on subscribing, viewing, commenting. You guys are great people, and we just love it. Thank you. So Raptor, why don't you say something?
What?
Why don't you say something to the audience?
I love you guys.
Okay, he loves us.
Forever.
Forever. Okay. Love you guys too. Goodbye.